Hands up, surrender. We gonna die about make hearts in your body like in the streets, stay down. For a moment, I'm up in the hood. I make these niggas losers. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Surrender. We run this game now. We run this game now. We run this game now. Nigga, give it up.
Okay, I'm looking good on my best mood. Chillin' in the hood with my guns, I'm ballin'. Check my shoes, I put it in, check the output. Y'all looking for the best dude. Damn, I'm the absolute the boy. Getting airtime is me and my parachute. Then again, all the whole thing before they with distraction. They say, money talk, I hear they say, come on, get me. It's crank out in a major league. Yes, it's we big pimpin'. Me and my clique, we floating. This nigga sinking.
Right. I say I break them all. I say I take them all. They all my target, kill them all. Target practice, treat these niggas like street time. Put them on land like it's fishing time. Keep it so clean. Cream over on your fire roses. Niggas kill Moses. This is set aside. Increase the Bible pages and praise the Lord for the medal. King Kong swag plus, red steel swag plus, come my cousin swag plus. You know what it is. Surrender. We gonna die about make hearts in your body like in the streets, stay down. For a moment, I'm up in the hood. I make these niggas losers. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Surrender. We run this game now. We run this game now. We run this game now. Nigga, give it up.
Yeah, I'm like a wolf covered in a goat skin. Watch me as I make these niggas float in our tears of joy. See why? I'm on this beat like Jesus and a donkey. Born with my eyes closed, now I see the world for what it is. Niggas on the top smoke, I'm a killer cleaner. I'm changing the game. The last is fast and fast is last. I got sugar as my AK, forget it. Like when we having a champagne on a Shaolin temple. Now we never go down like a .com. I'm type of nigga that'll be a sun on the honeymoon. Niggas wanna take me down like Mugabe. Just forget it, I live it. Yeah, I'm so clean. Anybody wanna take a photo with me? I feel bad, but I feel like I'm a photo shit. Too late,